as I pull my coat, but I don't hide. I let the storm roll through my life. Drops come down like sweet champagne. Everyone's a memory's name. I close my eyes and breathe again, 'cause I love to feel the rain, washing all my pain away. Every tear from the sky feels true, like the earth crying right on cue. Let it fall, let it cleanse my soul. Through the thunder I feel whole. Yeah, I love to feel the rain. It reminds me I'm alive again. Barefoot roads and silver streams. Dreams get wet, but so do dreams. The world slows down and the storms refrain, and my heart beats soft again. Lightning cracks, a flash of gold, warmer than the nights grow cold. It whispers truths I can't explain. How I love to feel the rain, washing all my pain away. Every tear from the sky feels true, like the earth crying right on cue. Let it fall, let it cleanse my soul. Through the thunder I feel whole. Yeah, I love to feel the rain. It reminds me I'm alive again. Some run for cover, I just stay. Let the storm take my fears away. Every drop tells me it's okay. The past will fade, come what may. I love to feel the rain on my face, on my skin, on my name. Every drop a soft refrain, whispering start again. Let it fall, let it wash me clean.